put that over there for a minute. I had a friend up, a couple of friends and my sister. And we just basically got through loads of tequila. You know when you do tequila shots and then you basically put water in tequila and you just got to hope to God you're getting the right one? Yeah, that's what we did. More tequila than anything. Just basically don't look in my recycling bin today. Anywho, I've got some pasta and I'm having carbs on carbs, basically, because this is just what I fancy, and basically there wasn't enough pasta. Ellie had the other lot, so I'm just going to put that in there. Also, I'm going to go and watch another series now. Well, I'm going to finish it off. Ellie made this. So this is just creamy pasta. It's called Monsters. Right? It's about two brothers. If you haven't seen it, watch it. It's on Netflix, right? And it's so messed up, so twisted. Like 1 minute, I feel sorry for the mum and dad, and then the pet, and then the kid. Oh, it's sick. Like, I'm not even gonna tell you because you might have not watched it, but you watch it. So I'm on number 7 now, so I need to go and watch 8 and 9, and then I'm done. I was all for them at the beginning, and then number 7, I kind of got twisted a little bit, and now I'm like, oh, like, what's going on here? So I'm going to go and watch that. I wasn't prepared. I didn't bring a napkin with me. What have I eaten today? Pot noodle and a whole box of Lindt chocolate. So here I am with pasta. What have you done today? Have you eaten? If you haven't, have something. And if you have, what do you have? Probably a roast dinner. I don't know what it is about roast at the moment. It's just not... I'd rather have pasta. This is good. I feel like I want a nice glass of Coke. I don't have fizzy drinks, but I want something. I think we used it all on the alcohol last night. So, I think I've got a 7-Up actually in the fridge. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go and watch the last 2 episodes. And find out what actually happened and why the murder was committed. Because I'm like confused now. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, have a good evening. Have a good evening.